are on our way to, Okay, hold on. We are on our way to the Honda dealership because stuff was wrong with my car and I had to get it fixed, or we had to get it fixed. So, yeah, about to go pick my car up. Earlier I was saying, like, we was thinking about buying a new car. If like this was gonna be too much to fix, we was just gonna go ahead and buy a new car. But it wasn't that much, and it wasn't like the problem with the car wasn't as bad as we thought. Like, we thought we was gonna have to get like a whole new transmission and stuff like that. But what was wrong with it was like the speed meter in the transmission, something like that. Like when I would drive the and like I would get on the highway and take off, it wouldn't pick up speed, and like it would switch gear and like be jerking. It was acting crazy. But they fixed it and it didn't even cost that much. So I'm sticking with my baby. I do plan on getting a new car, but down the line, maybe like a couple months from now after we move, because we're about to move. So yeah, I'm happy that it wasn't that much damage to the car. Like probably like regular wear and tear, like tires and brakes and stuff like that. But I'm gonna get that stuff also. Now I'm about to go in 7-Eleven and get me something to drink real fast. But I'm just so happy that my car is good now, because sharing a car with Chris, or like asking somebody to pick you up, you want to leave places, you want to go places and leave when you feel like it, not when somebody feel like dropping you off or picking you up. You want to just like be able to move like on your own time, not somebody else's time. So I'm happy about that. Alright, y'all, let me go in 7-Eleven. I got these Bai drinks. I think that's how you pronounce it. B-A-I. I never had this flavor before. This is the Tanzania lemonade tea. But I really like these. Like, it's not too sweet and not too like bitter, but it's just like just right. So I got these. I usually get them from like BJ's, because I can get like if I go to BJ's, I could get like a whole case for like $15. So that's what I usually get them from. But and at 7-Eleven they like $3 a piece. But this is really good, so about to get it. So we ended up at the park, y'all, because Jay had been begging us to come to the park for the longest. So that's what we got. You got it? Yeah. He's going straight to the swing. Yay! You looking like you don't know what to do. Huh? Put him on the motorcycle, Chris. I'm gonna get on too. I'm about to fall. Huh? I'm trying to hold my drink and be on this ride. Ah! Ah! Chris, come vlog. See, like us. Whoa! I'm trying to get on. You like it?
I was going really fast.
Huh? Huh?
I was going really fast.
You think this like got a weight limit? Huh? You don't think so?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
I mean, it's pretty sturdy though. Dramatic? Huh? You thought I was being dramatic? Meanwhile, Jay is still over there rocking. We are at this place called Top Golf. It's basically like where you play golf, like on the inside, like and outside. I don't know how to explain it. I'll show y'all when we get up there. But it's pretty cool. This is our second time going. We came like, I think I told y'all earlier, we came like 3 weeks ago, and it was fun. So Chris wanted to come back.
One person across the red line.
Yep, you tell him.
You right?
So they don't get hit in the head. People have. This kid
Bruh.
did. He got hit right in the
And
head.
if you fall over,
They
they
can't get you.
come get you.
Right there. He's telling you the fire
Chris got 26. I got 10. Quill got 3. Keontae got 0. Wait. Alright. Don't do that.
Tiger Hood.
Let me bend down. Hey, you ain't get nothing. It didn't. No, it didn't.
Nothing.
He got the green, which is all the way back there.
We always racing the road. It's never nothing. You play time. Since my sophomore year.
I wore yellow today, so that's my lucky color.
Boo.
I really like this place. Like, my sister brought us here like 3 weeks ago, and we never knew about it, but it's so like chill. Like, we each got our own like little section, just playing like in our own little like golf section. It's so cool. I don't even know if I got that look.
No, because now I can see everything.
I'm gonna tell them it's my last one.
They,
This is my last one. I'm winning. What the fuck up and go? That was fun, cause I won. Cause I won. What? Cause I won. What?
how many points you'll get if I throw your phone down at you?
I'm a fuck. You gonna get a.
Yo, we just came out from Top Golf. We had a wonderful evening, you know what I'm saying? Get a chance, by all means, check this place out. It is very relaxing, smoothing, chewing your honey, whatever you meet, what you gonna call. You know, we out here.